5/29 today, May 22. This is the future t-shirt factory. It's gonna be like the Dop Corporation. That is the current condition. Current condition not so good, but great price. Great ex-owner has the spirit of the winner. Do you have the spirit of the winner? Okay, here it is located here. It's now mine. That is good. We're gonna put it in good use. This is how it looks outside. We're gonna design it. We're gonna design it. How long is it, David? It's about 20 feet, right? 20 feet. I have the guy to transport it to the proper location. That is it. Has a little dings and dents, but that is not a big deal. We're gonna make it work. All right. Now, if the other guy quits on the big one, I may take the big one too. But this is taken already. What are these?
That stuff is garbage.
Garbage stuff. Okay, there's no garbage. You have to find it in a good use, like in eBay. In eBay garbage.
Yeah.
Now, what I suggest to you to list it in eBay as soon as possible. Anything you have of a value that is clogging your mind. That's a good idea, right?
Yeah.
All right, we have some stuff. Okay, good. 20 feet. How tall it is? Like 10 by 20 by 8. Fantastic trailer. Good. And now I have one question. Do you think if I load it on a truck it will fall apart or it will be still in one? That's a good question to ask. The structural integrity. The structural integrity, I think it will do well. Okay, that's fantastic. Now, task in the daily tasker, find a new location, a new home.
I just realized there's 2 doors.
Huh? There are 2 doors. Yeah, this door is installed. This is the original door. This is installed door from a extra thing. This, by the way, value of $200 to $500.
What?
Alone, just the door.
I know.
Yeah, just the door. City Gates. I know these guys, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have done work for me. City Gates. City Gates. Yes.
Hello. Hey, what's up?
Right.
Yeah.
Here it is. What we have to do?
20 minutes?
We have to put new plywood, isolate it, seal it, waterproof, sealant, isolation. Wonderful start. Has a metal floor. That is amazing. Metal floor. It is good. Yeah, has a wooden floor.
I'll be there by 6, okay?
Wooden ceiling, and that is pretty much that's it. We are done. 3 minutes video. Fantastic. Congratulations to David and to myself.